everyone, welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. Today we are exploring how to integrate Yoruba spirituality into our modern lives. In a fast-paced world, it's essential to find ways to connect with our spiritual roots and cultivate a sense of peace and purpose. Let's dive into practical ways to incorporate Yoruba spirituality in our daily routine. 1. Start your day with intention. One of the simplest ways to begin is by starting your day with intention. Take a few moments each morning to meditate, pray, or simply reflect on your goals for the day. You might connect with your Orisha, setting a positive tone for whatever lies ahead. 2. Create a sacred space. Consider creating a small space in your home. This could be a shrine dedicated to your Orisha. Having a designated area can help you ground yourself and make it easier to engage in spiritual practices amidst the business of life. 3. Incorporate rituals into daily life. Integrate small rituals into your daily routine. This could be as simple as offering gratitude before meals, or even taking a moment to appreciate nature. These practices can help you stay connected to your spirituality throughout the day. 4. Connect with nature. Don't forget to connect with nature. Spend time outdoors, whether it's a walk in the park or tending to a garden. Nature is a powerful source of energy and can enhance your spiritual connections, reminding you of the cycles of life and the beauty of the world around you. 5. Engage with community. Seek out a community or group that shares your interests in Yoruba spirituality, whether online or in person. Connecting with others who share similar beliefs can provide support, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. Attend ceremonies, festivals, or community events to deepen your understanding and practice. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to integrate Yoruba spirituality into modern life. These practices can help you cultivate a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you. I would love to hear how you incorporate spirituality into your daily life. Share your tips and experience in the comment section below so that others can learn from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insight into Yoruba spirituality. Until next time, keep seeking and keep growing. Bye for now.